What's in my Birchbox this month? Let's find out. Hey guys, I decided to take advantage of this nice day and video outside. The positives are that it's beautiful out here and the weather's nice. The negatives are that you can hear my dog running around in the leaves. So thanks for stopping in today and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Angie and my channel is all about life improved. Today I'm going to open up my Birchbox for the month of November 2018 and show you what goodies are in here. I have been a Birchbox subscriber for over 4 years and I love it. I basically buy no beauty products, just what comes in my Birchbox. But I have been thinking about switching exclusively to Sephora Play. So this may be one of my last Birchboxes. But let's open it up and see what's in here and see what goodies we've got today. All right, so to start off with, this fall, there's no better time to get connected with your job, your friends, your beauty routine, and yourself. And then it's got some little tips in there. Ooh, looks like a good box so far. I like that it's full. Makes me happy when it's not like all open space. So let's start off with this. This is the Love Beauty Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Body Wash. Make your shower feel like an oasis with this coconut water infused body wash that hydrates and refreshes skin, while leaving it delicately scented with the aroma of mimosa flower. So this is actually, sounds like a really good thing. I like the smell of coconut. I like mimosa. And I am currently out of body wash and I've been using the soap from my transition box. So this will be fun to experiment with. Down with that. Just going to randomly reach in and grab something else. Well, I'm going to totally mess this pronounce, I'm sure. Dr. Jart Sisapar Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30. SPF face treatment looks green at first, but seamlessly blends into your skin to color correct redness and dark spots for an even looking complexion. See, this is something that I would never buy at the store, ever. But it's kind of nice to have things like this in my arsenal for the 1 or 2 times a month that I do try to put on makeup and fix up a little bit. So this will be interesting to play with. All right, this is not wanting to video well, but next up we have the Love of Color Glow Squad Quad Single Clink. Okay, just reading that description, I have no idea what this is, but what is a clink? If we keep reading, this rose gold shade, which also comes as part of a full-size palette, the Glow Squad Quad, is versatile enough to apply with fingers on both eyes and cheeks for a radiant look. So basically, it is an eyeshadow that can also go on your cheeks. There again, I never buy makeup, so I like having new colors to add to my pile. And next on the list, LXMI Creme de Nil, powered by a rare ingredient only found in Uganda. Wow. Called Nicolata Reserve. This luxurious face cream provides serious moisture to all skin types for a plump, radiant complexion. Okay, so basically I don't have to buy any moisturizer because now I've got a sample. And this is the Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. Thank God, because if you saw my hair in my little preview just a second ago, you know I've been needing some Frizz Fighter. This is smooth out frizz, hydrate, and protect your hair with this paraben-free, keratin-infused hair serum. Apply a few pumps to mid-lengths and ends and style as usual. I will definitely be using this. I am out of my good hair stuff and I've been using like just a backup plan. So hopefully that'll be some good stuff. And lastly, we have a bonus item, this Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. Add this supplement powder made with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and probiotics to your drink or dish of choice to boost the health of your hair, skin, and nails. Well, that's pretty cool. And it is strawberry lemon flavored. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. So as you can see, I don't have to get dressed up very often with my career. I'm typically in sweatshirts and leggings or shorts. So I don't spend a lot of money on beauty products. That's one reason why I've always enjoyed getting Birchbox, because I can get hair products, facial moisturizers, makeup for $10 a month with Birchbox and basically spend no other money on my beauty products. Now, occasionally I will find a product via Birchbox that I love and I become a diehard customer and I buy that product. But in this box, I've got body wash, I've got facial moisturizer, I have eyeshadow, I have a color correcting treatment. So basically I can do my whole base layer of my face and eyeshadow right here. So if you don't subscribe to Birchbox because you're not really into makeup and you're not into stuff, I get it. That's exactly why I subscribe. I don't know what's up or down half the time. So every month Birchbox sends me, $10 worth of things and I get to expand my beauty knowledge and it makes me look a little bit more decent. So win-win. So I hope you enjoyed this I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and I hope it kind of gave you some insight into what Birchbox is all about. Stay tuned because I'm fixing to record my Sephora Play video and it'll be going up shortly after this one. So you guys have a great day. It's almost Thanksgiving here in America. So happy Thanksgiving. Stay strong, you guys. Bye.